Hello and welcome to TechFunda. In today's video, we're diving into Apple's latest security update, the Stolen Device Protection feature, now available in iOS 17.3. Stay tuned to learn how it works and how you can activate it on your iPhone. Apple has rolled out a new security measure called Stolen Device Protection in its latest iOS 17.3 update. This feature is designed to safeguard your iPhone against thieves, especially those who might know your passcode. Stolen Device Protection adds an extra layer of security. It's particularly useful when you're away from familiar locations like home or work. The key here is that it requires Face ID or Touch ID for accessing critical features, not just your passcode. With this new feature, critical changes like accessing your wallet, stored passwords, and altering your Apple ID require biometric authentication. This ensures that only the rightful owner can access these sensitive functions. Additionally, there's a security delay feature. If your iPhone is stolen, this delay prevents the thief from performing critical operations, giving you time to mark your device as lost and secure your Apple account. Activating this feature is crucial. It prevents thieves from using your stored passwords or making purchases with your saved payment methods. It also requires additional authentication to turn off lost mode or erase settings. To activate Stolen Device Protection, go to Settings, scroll to Face ID and Passcode, enter your passcode and toggle Stolen Device Protection on. That's all for today's guide on Apple's Stolen Device Protection. Protect your iPhone and stay secure with this new feature. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to TechFunda for more tech tips and updates. See you in the next video.